My dear students, now I am going to explain concentration cells. Concentration cells. Concentration cell is a galvanic cell in which both the electrodes contain the same electrode material, the same electrolyte, but with different concentrations. Concentration cell is a galvanic cell in which both the electrodes contain the same electrode material, the same electrolyte, but with different concentrations. See, till now we have discussed this kind of examples for galvanic cells. See, zinc rod is dipped in zinc sulfate solution. Zinc rod is dipped in zinc sulfate solution. 1 molar zinc sulfate solution. Copper rod is dipped in solution containing copper ions, that is copper sulfate. Zinc rod is dipped in zinc sulfate solution. Copper rod is dipped in copper sulfate solution. Here electrode and electrolytes both are different. This is zinc electrode, this is copper electrodes. Suppose here if we take zinc rod is dipped in zinc sulfate solution, even right hand side also zinc rod is dipped in zinc sulfate solution only. Zinc rod is dipped in zinc sulfate solution, but concentration is different for this C1 concentration, for this C2 concentration. Both the electrodes are same, even electrolytes also same. In this half cell and in this half cell, electrodes and electrolytes both are same, but concentrations are different. This is one kind of a concentration cell. Here concentration of electrolyte is different. Zn plus 2, its concentration C1 molar. Salt bridge, Zn plus 2, C2 molar, Zn. This is one concentration cell. Electrodes and electrolytes both are same, but electrolyte concentrations are different. This is one kind of concentration cell. One more example. See, if we take this is hydrogen electrode, both are hydrogen electrodes. Platinum, this electrode is platinum. Hydrogen gas is passed through solution containing H plus ions. Even here also, platinum rod is dipped in this 1 molar HCl solution. Here hydrogen gas is passing through this electrolytic solution. At P1 atmospheres pressure, here also hydrogen gas is passing through this electrolytic solution, but at P2 atmospheres. Here electrolytes are same. See, but here hydrogen gas is passing through this electrolytic solution at P1 atmospheres. Here at P2 atmospheres. In this example, electrolyte concentrations are different. But here electrode concentrations are different. So these are examples for concentration cells. Concentration cell is a galvanic cell in which both the electrodes contain the same electrode material, the same electrolyte, but with different concentrations. These concentration cells are two types. See, first one, electrode concentration cells. Second one, electrolyte concentration cells. See, first one is electrode concentration cells. Second one is electrolyte concentration cells. See, first one, electrode concentration cells. Here electrode concentration cells means Electrolyte concentration is same. In both the half cells, electrolyte is same and electrolyte concentration is same, but electrode concentrations are different. Electrode concentrations are different. Say example, platinum, hydrogen gas at P1 atmospheres is passed through solution containing H plus ions. Hydrogen gas at P2 atmospheres is passed through same electrolytic solution. Platinum, hydrogen gas is passing through solution containing H plus ions at P1 pressure, at P1 atmospheres pressure. Even right hand side also. Platinum, hydrogen gas is passing through same electrolyte solution at P2 atmospheres. Electrode in both the cases, electrolyte is same, electrolyte concentration is same, but electrode concentrations are different. Here hydrogen gas is passing at P1 atmospheres pressure, but in cathode at P2 atmospheres. So left hand side, platinum, hydrogen gas is passed through solution containing H plus ions at P1 atmospheres. Right hand side, platinum, hydrogen gas is passing through electrolytic solution containing H plus ions, but at P2 atmospheres. Electrolyte concentration is same. Left hand side electrode concentration, right hand side electrode concentration. Electrolyte concentration is same, but electrode concentrations are different. Left hand side hydrogen gas is passing through the electrolytic solution at P1 atmospheres pressure. Right hand side at P2 atmospheres pressure. So this is electrode concentration cell. Electrode concentrations are different. See, for this cell reactions at anode, this left hand side electrode is anode, right hand side electrode is cathode. We know that at anode oxidation takes place. H2 gives rise to H plus ions. I am taking half mole. We can take H2 gives rise to H plus ions also. H2 gas at P1 atmospheres pressure. At P1 atmospheres, H plus aqueous plus electrons. This is anodic reaction. Next, at cathodes, we know that at cathode reduction reaction takes place. H plus electrons gives rise to H2 aqueous. This hydrogen gas is at P2 atmospheres pressure. Left hand side anode is present. There hydrogen gas is passing at P1 atmospheres pressure. Right hand side at P2 atmospheres pressure. Then overall cell reaction. Electrons will get cancelled. H plus ions will get cancelled because concentration is same. Half mole of hydrogen gas at P1 atmospheres pressure gives rise to half mole of hydrogen gas at P2 atmospheres. Or we can write H2 gives rise to H2 at P1 atmospheres, H2 at P2 atmospheres also. Apply Nernst equation for this. E is equal to E naught minus 0.059 by N log Q. This is Nernst equation. Apply Nernst equation for this. E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 by N log Q. E cell is equal to, this E naught cell means E naught of cathode minus E naught of anodes. This E naught cell is nothing but E naught cathode minus E naught anodes. But here both the electrodes are same. Their SRP values are same. Hydrogen electrode, for hydrogen electrode SRP value 0. 0 minus 0, then 0 only. This value should be 0. This E naught cell is nothing but E naught cathode minus E naught anodes. SRP value same only, then the difference should be 0 minus 0.059 by, here how many moles of electrons are involved? 1 mole of electrons, 1 log of Q. Q means reaction coefficient. Hydrogen concentration power 1 by 2 divided by hydrogen concentration power 1 by 2. But for gases, instead of concentration, we can take pressure. Pressure of this hydrogen gas is P2. P2 power 1 by 2 divided by For reactant, P1 power 1 by 2. E cell is equal to minus 0.059 into log of P2 by P1 whole power 1 by 2. This we can write minus 0.059 by 2 log of P2 by P1. We know that log A power x is equal to formula x log A. Log A power x is equal to x log A. 1 by 2 into log P2 by P1. Minus 0.059 into 1 by 2. It becomes minus 0.059 by 2 log P2 by P1. Or we can write plus 0.059 by 2 into log of P1 by P2. E cell is equal to 0.059 by 2 log of P1 by 2. P1 by P2. E cell is equal to 0.059 by 2 log of P1 by P2. Here, for a general reaction, we can write 0.059 by n log of P1 by P2. For spontaneity of cell reaction, P1 must be greater than P2. Very, very important point. For spontaneity of cell reaction, P1 must be greater than P2. See here, suppose if P1 is less than P2, then we'll get electrode potential of cell will be negative value. Electrode potential of cell will be negative, then non-spontaneous. So for the cell reaction to be spontaneous, E cell value must be positive. When that E cell value must be positive, if P1 is greater than P2, then E cell value will get positive value. So for spontaneity of cell reaction, that condition must be P1 greater than P2. Here this P1 must be greater than P2. Left hand side, hydrogen gas is passing through the electrolytic solution at P1 atmospheres. Right hand side at P2 atmospheres. That P1 must be greater than P2. This is electrode concentration cell. So next, electrolyte concentration cell. Second one is electrolyte concentration cells. Electrolyte concentration cells. See here, electrolyte concentrations are different. Electrolyte concentrations are different. Electrode concentrations are same, but electrolyte concentrations are different. See, for example, zinc rod is dipped in 1 molar zinc sulfate solution. Left hand side, zinc rod is dipped in 1 molar zinc sulfate solution or C1 molar solution. Left hand side, zinc rod is dipped in zinc sulfate solution of concentration C1. Right hand side, zinc rod is dipped in zinc sulfate solution of concentration C2. Concentrations are different. Both the electrodes are same, but electrolyte concentrations are different. Say example, zinc rod is dipped in solution containing zinc ions of C1 concentration. Next, zinc rod is dipped in solution of zinc ions only, but concentration C2. Electrodes are same, electrolytes also same, but electrolyte concentrations are different. Zinc rod is dipped in solution containing zinc ions of C1 molar concentration. Right hand side, Zinc rod is dipped in solution containing zinc ions of C2 molar concentration. See one more example. Platinum hydrogen gas at P1 atmospheres is passed through solution containing H plus ions of C1 concentration. Hydrogen gas at P1 atmospheres only is passed through solution containing H plus ions of C2 molar. Platinum hydrogen gas at P1 atmospheres is passing through electrolytic solution containing concentration C1 concentration of H plus ions. Right hand side, platinum hydrogen gas at same pressure P1 atmospheres only is passing through solution containing H plus ions of C2 concentration. So here electrolyte concentrations are different. So these are the electrolyte concentration cells. For this also, see, we can write cell reactions. I am taking one general reaction. At the anodes, we know that oxidation takes place. If M loses n moles of electrons, then Mn plus is formed. At cathodes, if Mn plus gains n moles of electrons, M is formed. Left hand side, oxidation takes place. If M loses n moles of electrons, Mn plus ions, its concentration is C1. Left hand side concentration C1. Next right hand side, that is cathodes, reduction takes place. Mn plus ion concentration is C2. Then overall reaction, electrons will get cancelled, Mn will get cancelled, Mn plus C2 concentration gives rise to Mn plus C1 concentration. This is overall cell reaction. From last equation, E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 by n moles of electrons are involved. Log Q. This is last equation. E cell is equal to this value must be 0. This E naught cell value must be 0 because E naught cell is nothing but E naught cathode minus E naught anodes. Left hand side zinc electrode, even right hand side also zinc electrodes. What is SRP value of zinc electrode? Minus 0.76 volts. Even right hand side also zinc electrode only. Its SRP value is minus 0.76. We can take any electrode. E naught cell value must be 0. E naught cell is equal to E naught cathode minus E naught anodes. Their SRP value same. Then the difference will be 0. Minus 0.059 by n log of this Q. Mn plus ion concentration. That Mn plus ion concentration is C1. Directly I am writing C1 divided by Mn plus ion concentration C2. E cell is equal to minus 0.059 by n log of C1 by C2. Or we can write E cell is equal to plus 0.059 by n log of C2 by C1. Electrode potential of cell is equal to 0.059 by n log of C2 by C1. Even here also, for spontaneity of such cell reaction, condition C2 must be greater than C1. C2 must be greater than C1. Then only we will get E cell value is positive. For the cell reaction to be spontaneous, electrode potential of cell must be positive value. If C2 is greater than C1, then we will get E cell value positive. If C2 is less than C1, then we will get negative value, then non-spontaneous. These are the concentration cells, electrode concentration cells and electrolyte concentration cells. Still it is there. In next lecture I will explain that one. Both electrode concentrations and electrolyte concentrations both are different means it has no special name, but it is also there. That is very very important. See, here only electrode concentrations are different, here electrolyte concentrations are different. If both are different, if both are different means we can give one more formula for such kind of cells.